Breaking Mzansi Insider reports. Former SAPS Sergeant Fannie Nkosi is expected to appear again at the Pretoria North Magistrates Court today as his bail application continues. Nkosi remains in custody following his arrest earlier this month after a police raid at his home in Pretoria North. During the operation, authorities allegedly discovered unlicensed firearms, ammunition, explosive devices, police case dockets, and large amounts of cash. Police say some of the recovered case files are linked to cash-in-transit robberies and other serious violent crimes, raising concerns about possible corruption and interference in ongoing investigations. Nkosi previously served in the Gauteng Organised Crime Unit, a specialised division responsible for tackling serious and organised criminal activity, which has made the allegations against him even more significant. The court is expected to further examine whether Nkosi should be granted bail while investigations continue into the full extent of the charges and evidence against him. During today's court proceedings, the state is expected to strongly oppose bail, arguing that Fannie Nkosi is a serious flight risk given the nature of the charges and the sensitive material allegedly found in his possession. Prosecutors are likely to emphasize that the recovered police case dockets and explosive devices point to a broader criminal network and possible interference in ongoing investigations. The prosecution is also expected to argue that Nkosi's previous position within the Gauteng Organised Crime Unit could allow him access to insider information, which may be used to compromise witnesses or obstruct the investigation if he is released on bail. On the other hand, Nkosi's defense team is expected to challenge the strength of the evidence, questioning the legality of the search and seizure operation and insisting that the state must prove a direct link between Nkosi and the alleged crimes. They may also argue that he has fixed roots in the community and does not pose a danger if granted bail. The magistrate is expected to weigh these arguments carefully before making a ruling, with the court proceedings drawing significant public and media attention due to the seriousness of the allegations. As the bail hearing continues, the case against Fannie Nkosi is being closely watched due to the broader implications it may have for accountability within law enforcement. Allegations involving a former member of a specialized crime-fighting unit have raised concerns about possible corruption and the misuse of police resources. If bail is denied, Nkosi will remain in custody as the investigation intensifies, with authorities expected to expand their probe into possible links between the seized evidence and organized criminal networks. Investigators may also seek to trace the origin of the explosive materials and determine how confidential police dockets ended up in private possession. If bail is granted, strict conditions are likely to be imposed, including possible restrictions on movement, communication with witnesses, and access to police-related information, to prevent interference with the ongoing investigation. The matter is expected to return to court in the coming weeks as the state finalizes its case, and further charges could still be added depending on the outcome of the investigation.